Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Alex Pina's cutting-edge Netflix original collection, Sky Rojo, is formally returning simply months after the primary season debuted on Netflix. Here's what you want to understand about Sky Rojo Season 2 that is coming to Netflix globally in July 2021. Dubbed as Netflix's maximum bold mission out of Spain so far, the collection follows three chicas who are looking to get away with their vintage existence in membership as prostitutes for his or her freedom, all whilst being tailed via their means of bosses. Season 1 touched down on Netflix after manufacturing delays on March 19, 2021. However, as we have now learned, Season 1 and Season 2 have been filmed, returned to return. When Netflix commissioned the display, it did so with a preliminary 2-season order returned in November 2019. It's now no longer terrific uncommon for Netflix to pre-initiatives a couple of seasons in advance. It came about with Ratched as an example in case, to possibly due to the fact the display became pitched as a 2-season display to permit it to finish its story greater in second. On March 29th of 2021, Netflix showed that Season 2 could be coming to the carrier globally on July 23rd of 2021. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. It's a bit too early to inform how well Sky Rojo is acting globally after some days, and the display has not made a whole lot of an impact with inside the Pinnacle's tense outdoor primary Spanish language territories. The collection has peaked at #1 on Netflix in Spain. Money Heist does fanatically well, and it's nevertheless the Pinnacle's tense there on March 21st of 2021. In India, however, we are yet to hear if Sky Rojo has made an impact on Simply. One day after the release, the display becomes the 6th maximum famous identity globally on Netflix. This becomes nevertheless the case on March 29th of 2021 too, and at the quid of Season 1, Coral is visible looking to Romeo's existence after he seems to have a cardiac arrest, almost getting a sword through his head. Of course, the primary motive she is there is to get away with the passports and cash from the security which is stopping from freedom. In his last-ditch attempt to get away from the car, he is visible capturing Wendy, who now has a bullet wound and possibly result in Season 2's plot early on looking to get a clinical attention. The vet is possibly going to get every other unannounced resident's visit. All that is to mention is the return and forth among the guys and the girls will without a certain doubt come back in Season 2. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like a video then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.